Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today this video of mine is about Philodendron bipenifolium. It is a beautiful plant as you are seeing. It is also called horsehead philodendron or golden violin philodendron because its shape is like violin and or horse's head, and it is also called fiddle leaf philodendron. So there are many names given to this plant, and this plant, when you buy this plant, you have to take care about the 4 or 5 points about it. You should know about these points, that this plant belongs to the rainforests of Brazil or Argentina. So it is a epiphytic plant which grows in the forests on the trees, and just it clings to the trees, and it loves to be in a shady area where the indirect sunlight is. It needs indirect sunlight. It loves humidity, so just you should place the plant where there is humidity, or just place the plant in a tray of pebbles. If you cannot give it humidity, you can just put it in a tray of pebbles with the water in it, and it will create humidity. And this plant also, it likes to cling on walls, or so you can just give it a moss stick, and it will cling on that plant. It grows aerial roots also, because they try to catch moisture from the atmosphere. And this plant grows like a vine, so you can just put a moss stick in the container, and you can put the container in a tray of pebbles. Then your plant will be perfect. It likes acidic soil about 5 pH to 6 pH, and your soil should be well drained but not very well drained. It likes to be moist, so it should hold some water, and you should just keep watering the plant when the soil is dry, and not just overwater the plant. You have to keep it moist, but only damp, not moist, and see that between the watering soil dries, so that roots can get oxygen. Otherwise the roots will be exhausted if it goes on working with the water. So you have to dry the plant between the waterings also. So this plant needs uh, two or three times it you have to give fertilizer in a year. So you can give it a slow release fertilizer, any fertilizer you like, with the nitrogen, so that the green part is, it has already shiny and glossy leaves, and it needs nitrogen much than other nutrients. So you can give it a nitrogen rich fertilizer, and 2 or 3 times a year, or a slow release fertilizer.